you shoot a lot of video clips and you have a Sony camera, like the Sony FX30, it can be kind of a pain to go back and forth between turning recording on, turning recording off. So a very helpful and awesome accessory is a Sony remote control. In this video, I'll show you how to pair this remote with the Sony FX30. It's going to be basically the same for the FX3 and a lot of other of the newer Sony model cameras. Alright, so once you turn your camera on, hit that menu button, and then you're going to go down to Network, and then scroll down to where it says Bluetooth. You can hit Enter or just scroll over. We go to Bluetooth function. Go ahead, hit Enter, and we're going to turn Bluetooth function on. Then we're going to go down to Pairing. And now we need to have the remote control. Remote control, we're going to hit the center. This is like the shutter release. We're going to hold that down, and then we're going to hold the plus sign down. It's going to take about 7 seconds. Connect device, which is the remote control, and you're going to tap OK. And now it's going to pair to the device. Once we get the paired comes up, we're going to hit OK. And now we're going to scroll down to Bluetooth remote control, hit Enter, and we're going to turn that on. Hit Used Paired Device. And now our remote should be operational. And now just to test it, if I hit the shutter button, it should start recording on my FX30. Now if I want to shut it off, just hit it one more time. I have a couple controls on the side of the remote, so if you want to control zoom or focus, you can slide that indicator, and then your plus minus will control that. Zoom in, just hit the plus, and it's going to zoom right in. Remote control is now working perfectly. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now your camera is controlled by remote. You don't have to keep getting up and down, hitting record or your shutter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.